Hello guys, for today's recipe we're going to cook green Thai chicken curry. All we need is 4 medium-sized potato cut into cubes and then boil it in 2 cups of water. Cook it for around 4 to 5 minutes and then add the green beans. And then cook another 2 minutes and then drain it and set it aside. In a heated pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, saute a garlic, add 4 tablespoons of green Thai curry paste, and then add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, then add your 500 grams chicken breast or thigh, and then simmer for at least 10 minutes, and then add the coconut milk and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. You can now add your boiled potatoes and green beans together with your red bell pepper and then a handful of basil leaves. You can also add a green chili for additional spiciness. And lastly, you can add your lime zest for much more flavor. And here we go. We already have your green Thai chicken curry. Thank you for watching.